Tom is going to play the flute, ladies and gentlemen. How's about that? And we're going to play a couple of tunes on the fiddle and flute for you. There's a couple of reels that we both learned from an old recording.
Yeah, we spend a lot of time driving around, and you have to kind of make up these games and ways to pass times. But we hit on this idea of instrumental cover albums of traditional music, and talking about sets of tunes.
It's a surefire hit.
Oh, yeah. Luckily, this isn't the thing with Ellen. But we were talking about albums that had influenced us both, and we hit on a live album, which was a load of American Irish musicians that came over to Cork University and made a big album. I can't remember what it was called. But there was a special recording by Seamus Egan and Eileen Ivers that was a fiddle and flute duo. And I'd always listened to this and never really noticed the fiddle playing at all because the flute playing was so great. And Ross had basically had the same.
Sometime in the past, I happened to listen to the same track and I never knew there was a flute on it either. But
so
yeah,
I don't think you even knew who the flute player was.
No idea. But anyway, we both loved it. Though,
but we've been using this kind of in live gigs just to kind of put a bit of hardcore Irish music in there because that's kind of my background. So we're going to play that for you. And their tunes are called The Loop and Curl You and Farewell to Ireland. Thanks very much.